Hare Krishna, Tulasi Maharani ki jai.
So, Hare Krishna everyone. Devashri, Radhika and me would like to invite you to our Tulasi seminar and workshop, which will be held on 22nd of April, that is Saturday, from 10 a.m. in the morning until 1 p.m. So we would like to teach you and enlighten you and share with you about the glories of Tulasi Devi, who she is, why we worship them, and what are the benefits of worshipping Tulasi Devi. And Devashri Radhika will show you the practical part.
Yes, I basically do the fun part.
Yeah.
Where we get to learn how to serve Tulasi Maharani properly, and of course most of us know how to do it, but then still to get deeper into the mood of how to serve Tulasi Maharani, to take care of her and develop this deep relationship with her in practical action.
Yeah, because everyone actually wants to know and wants to have Tulasi Devi actually at home, so we will help you with all the tips.
Yeah, we will assist you.
Yeah.
And I read this quote by Srila Prabhupada where he said that wherever Tulasi Maharani is there is Godhead. So residing with Tulasi Maharani is as good as being in the spiritual world. Amazing, isn't it?
And Krishna doesn't accept any food without Tulasi leaves, so it's very beneficial to that every family has Tulasi Devi at home. So to learn all about that and how to worship her, please join us in our seminar and worship. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna.